Blowing of the birthday candles, right? Some believe that the tradition of birthday candles began in ancient Greece. The candles were lit to make them glow like the moon, a popular symbol associated with Artemis. Others have different theory about it. But regardless, we know blowing of the birthday candle, whether the celebrant is 4 or 40, sparks joy in our heart and of the celebrant themselves. So now, let me call on our little Levidan for the blowing of the birthday candle.
Kanta muna tayo.
Let us all sing a happy birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.